The other day, I'm driving my friend's truck home after I was doing a job. I replaced the knock sensors. I did that a couple weeks ago. And as I'm driving it home, it's a pretty nice day. Well, driving it to his house, it's a pretty nice day. So I have the window down, not thinking anything of it. I pull into his driveway and then go to give him his keys and roll the window up, and the window is stuck down. And I'm like, oh great, I can't give you the truck back with just leaving the window down and just letting it go. So I ripped the door panel off while I was there. He had some tools, and because I didn't have my tools with me, so we pulled that off, and I'm going to try to recreate what happened, how we got there. I had disconnected the window motor right here. Key is on. Let's see if I put this down. So it would go down, but then it wouldn't go back up. And you can see it's binding up pretty bad. So I could keep going down and I couldn't go up. But you can see the window motor is getting power because you can hear the noise. And it wants to go up. So what we did was we took a couple of pry bars and got underneath here and tried to just pry the window up very carefully. We didn't want to break the glass and stuff. So when we got it in the up position, then I just disconnected the motor and we left it so it wouldn't work, but at least it was staying up for now. So I'm going to put a window regulator in it. Luckily it still moves, so it makes it a little easier. Sometimes if the window regulator or the motor is frozen, then it's a little trickier to replace. So I'll just start by taping up the window. Oops. That was weird. Just broke off. Huh. You can see how this is all corroded up. Sometimes the cables pop off, but yeah, it's all corroded up down there. Time for a new regulator. Here's the new regulator. Comes with a motor too. Most of them come with motors, which is good. tape off now. Perfect. So that works good. Now I'll just put the rest of it together. While I'm doing this, I'm just gonna replace the mirror. Put some new mirrors on. Check those out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out some of my other videos. I've done a bunch of videos on this truck, including a bunch of other vehicles. Thanks.